be missing you, love. Yeah, I'll be missing you, love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have plenty of cleaning motivation for you guys. And for my American friends, I hope you guys enjoyed your 4th of July. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys did.
Your love, when I think of you and the two of us together.
I got a pretty late start this morning and I'm just now making my bed. I think it was like around 11:30. Usually if my husband doesn't work the night before, because he works nights, then I would make my bed a little later. But this time he didn't work super late and I still made the bed super late. But as long as I got it done, that was all it mattered.
Will you miss my love? Will you miss my love? All the good times that we had. Will you miss my love? Will you miss me and my love, my love, my love? When I see you again, I wanna show you how I love.
I have this habit of putting my purse on top of my dresser, and normally I would put my purse in my closet, but what I'm gonna start doing now is keeping my purse in the living room closet, so like that I don't have to constantly keep taking it to my room.
I've been missing you, love. Yeah, I've been missing you, love. All the good times that we had. I've been missing you, love. I've been missing you and your love, your love, your love. I don't wanna waste your time. I don't wanna change your mind. Are you better off alone? Girl, you stole my heart and I'm losing you. I'm losing you. Oh, oh, oh. I'm still missing you, love.
So you guys, my nightstands are jam-packed with crap. Honestly, I actually have to go through my drawers here as well, but I kind of have to mentally prepare myself to do it. It just probably most likely would take me maybe 5 minutes, but I don't know why I think the job is a lot harder than it really is.
Your love, your love. Oh, baby, I'm still missing you. Still missing you, missing you. Let's start a new world today. Life is given as a tree. Whatever you will grow in me, I'll land on my 2 feet. I'm hanging around downtown, trying to be a part of whatever comes around. I'm looking for something that I
I'm now putting the rose essential oils, and I got this one from Walmart. I think it's almost $5. It's like $4.88 or something like that. It's from the Better Homes and Gardens brand. You usually will find it in the candle section, in the aromatherapy section in Walmart, and it smells amazing.
How your eyes start to glow when I get close to you, baby. Come on and shake it like you did before. Just a silhouette and flashing light, moving like a cat on the floor.
So I am now starting one load of laundry today, you guys. I'm trying to stay on top of the laundry. I do not like doing big loads of laundry, and it seems ever since the kids have been home, that's all I have been doing is big loads of laundry and letting it pile up, and then I have to do tons of laundry, which I don't like to do. I actually like doing laundry, I just don't like doing big loads of laundry. I hope that kind of makes sense. So I'm trying to get back to that routine of doing at least one load of laundry a day or every other day. Now it's time for me to clean my bathroom, and I watch cleaning videos just like you guys. I either watch it while I'm sitting down doing absolutely nothing, or I watch it for some motivation. And right here, I was definitely watching for some motivation. I was watching Squeaky Clean's live cleaning video. You guys check out her channel. You will love her channel, but that's who I was watching at this point.
Shake it like you did before. Last night was the best night. Won't you shake it for me? Shake it like you did before. I can taste your words on the tip of my tongue. It's like poison running through.
If you are enjoying this video so far, guys, don't forget to hit that like button because it helps my channel a ton. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so you don't miss any one of my videos. Thank you.
Calling me when you're lonely inside. Though I made it clear I don't care. I gave you one last chance, but you messed up once again. There's nothing you could do that makes me wanna change my mind. There's nothing you could do that'll make me think you're someone kind. There's nothing you could do about it. There's no point to try to fight it. I won't listen to you. In fact, I wish I never knew you. I go on. I walk on by with my head held high. I go on. I'll lose myself in another round. You showed me your best, but that just ain't enough for me. I'm gonna leave this town and go start a new life. 'Cause I'm tired of fighting every day. 'Cause this place is crowded with things that remind me of you. There's nothing you could do that makes me wanna change my mind.
So while I was actually shaking out my rugs, I found a dead spider, you guys. Yuck. But this is why I shake my rugs all the time. I find a bunch of hair and dead bugs. This is the time of year for the bugs, especially down here in the South. Actually clean out my tub all the time because my daughter and I both use this tub. We're the only ones who use this tub. Me to soak my back because I've been having back problems and I soak in some Epsom salt. And my daughter because she thinks she's a mermaid. So I always make sure my tub is clean and I'm using a dish brush with some vinegar and Dawn dish soap. I never actually dry my shirts, you guys. All of my shirts that I wear, my tunic long style shirts, they're my absolutely favorite, by the way. I always air dry those, and I get my shirts from Ross because I literally get asked in every single video, you guys. So I get them from Ross. That's the only place I can really find those kind of shirts on the cheap.
I'm gonna trust my intuitions. I'm gonna take a deeper breath. I'm gonna think about how some things are best unsaid. I'm gonna filter my reflections as I stare into the maze.
Now it's time for us to switch out our air filters. They get super dirty and we switch them out every single month because any other time it would be it's just, we could definitely tell in the air. And whenever we switch them out, we also clean the cover because that gets super dusty as well.
Feels like we are all the stray, tired people in the gray.
What's crazy is this is after 1 month of us switching it out. Most people don't even switch it out this often. So I'm showing you the before and a clean one right here. So you can definitely see the difference, how dirty it gets. And this is the one from downstairs. And the one from downstairs is a lot dirtier than the one from upstairs. As you can see, you see how dark it looks? It's horrible.
With every breath I take, I go there, to the place where I can feel, I can begin to see.
The cover is pretty easy to clean. We just take it outside and just spray it down and it takes all of the dust off. Also, I will be showing you soon how the second one looked, but it gets pretty dusty and it gets completely filled with cobwebs, and then we leave it outside in the sun for like 5 minutes and it's completely dry.
Tired people in the gray, waiting for another day.
I'm happy to say that my kitchen was pretty clean. What you see in the sink is my morning dishes, like my kids' breakfast dishes and stuff that you see on there. Right now, I'm putting away the pots and pans that I washed the night before. I've been trying my best to stay on top of all the chores. I just showed you my favorite mug. I've been trying my best to stay on top of the chores so like that I don't have to do big loads of anything, because I kind of, with summer and everyone being home, it kind of got me off of my routine, and I've noticed that I thrive with a routine. Hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.